Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the account so the game can accept changes. First, update mobile legends. Outdated clients restrict options. Once done, bind your account to Mountain, Google, or Facebook. This proves ownership and unlocks support actions. Make sure you play at least 3 stable matches so the system recognizes regular activity. With those prerequisites satisfied, you're ready to access the in-game settings and support tools that control protection timing. Don't skip verification. It's required for the next steps. You now move into the settings and support flow to request the change. Navigate to settings, confirm account binding so the system shows your linked ID. This prevents denial. Next, open support and submit a request under the category related to protection or penalties. Choose the closest matching option. In the form, attach screenshots of your profile, your UID, and the protection period you want removed. Explain why. Completed requirements or mistaken activation. Be concise but specific for Finish the process by following up and resolving any denials. After submission, wait 24 to 72 hours. Support will reply via in-game mail. If they decline, don't panic. Gather more proof, match histories, purchase receipts, or ID binding screenshots, and reopen the ticket or use live chat. Once support confirms removal, restart the app and verify protection is gone. If issues persist, reinstall the app, rebind your account, then resubmit. That clears client-side cache and often fixes stuck states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.